Hello, my name's Karen Stangram and welcome to Conquer Crochet, the channel for tips, tricks and techniques for conquering your crochet. Everything I talk about in today's video will be linked in the descriptions below. And if you're new here, please consider subscribing and hitting the notification bell so you don't miss a single stitch. So if you're keen to get going with this video, give me a thumbs up and let's do this. So to make our quick and simple bunnies, we're going to use a cotton yarn. This is Patterns double knit cotton, 100% cotton. I'm using a 4mm hook. I have a needle for sewing in my ends and I have my scissors for cutting off my ends. So we're going to start off with a magic ring, and you can do this in whichever way you prefer. And then we're going to chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this counts as a double treble. Okay, we're now going to make 15 double trebles into the magic ring. So with a treble you yarn over once, with a double treble you yarn over twice. So insert into the ring, pull through, pull back out. So you should have 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Okay, I'll show you again. To yarn over, insert into the ring, yarn over, pull back through, 4 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So we now have 3 double trebles because this one counts. Okay, so we need to have 15, not including this one. So yarn over, that's 3, yarn over, insert to the magic ring, yarn over, pull back through, yarn over through 2, yarn over through 2, yarn over through 2. So pause the video now till you've done 15 double trebles into the magic ring, not including the 4 chain at the beginning. So I've done my 15, just to double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and my 4 chain at the beginning. So I'm now going to pull the magic ring closed. And I'm going to slip stitch into the top of this 4 chain. So 1, 2, 3, 4, insert, yarn over, pull through the loop and then pull through the one on your hook. The next round we're going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3. That counts as a treble. And then we're going to do 4 trebles and 4 half trebles in the next stitch. So 4 trebles, that's 1, 2, 3 and 4 and a half treble. So yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through all 3 on your hook, and that gives us our bunny's face. Then we're going to chain 12 to start making the ears. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And we're going to slip stitch that into the top of his ear here. So into the half treble that we made, you're going to slip stitch into that stitch. We're then going to chain 12 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and again we're going into the same space, the top of that half treble that we did, and I'm going to slip stitch into there again. Now I'm going to slip stitch into the next 6 stitches. So that's 1 slip stitch, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. I'm going to chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and slip stitch into the base of that chain, so where that started out from. So if you pull, you can see which stitch is going to move. So I'm going to slip stitch into here and then yarn over, pull through the loop and finish off. Obviously we have our ends to sew in. There you have your quick and simple Easter bunny. Now these Easter bunnies look really cute. You could make a few of them. The bigger the hook you use, the bigger your bunny will be. So you could have them on a garland with the bunnies and the carrots all hanging up on a nice string. I really hope you found today's tutorial useful. If there are any information that you need to find out about this video, have a look in the descriptions below where I post all the links to any freebies and other videos I think you might find useful. Don't forget, if you have enjoyed this video, to give me a thumbs up below. Don't forget also to subscribe and hit the notification bell if you've enjoyed it and you'd like to see more of my tutorial videos. There are 2 other videos on screen to help you on your crochet journey, and I will see you over there. Thank you so much for joining me on this one, and happy hooking!